Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to work on my trashy junk journal. I'm just gonna do a quick video. I am making a tag and a journal card. I did cut up a Cheez-It box and that will be the background. And some mentioned wanting to use painty paper in a tag, so I'm gonna try to incorporate that. So let's get started. If you're new here, I will put the playlist in the description and pin it for our junk journal January trashy junk journal that we've been working on. It just started. It's never too late to join us. Oops. It's just a casual journal with scraps and things, trash, you know, things around that you already have. So anyway, so let's do this journal card. So I'm going to do it this direction, and I'm going to use a part of this. Oh, so I cut out this owl. It was in this junk mail flyer for eye care, so I want to put the owl on this card. Just trying to see if he looks better on that or on here. I don't know. Decisions. I kind of like the darker down there, but he stands out more up here. Oh, guys. Okay, I'm going to decide. All right. I'm going to go with the lighter. So I also made this painty paper on a video that I think I posted yesterday. If I did, either way, I'll put that in the description in case you're wanting to do some funky scribbling. Let me find my glue. All right. So this journal, of course, my glue is not going to cooperate, so maybe my Fabri-Tac will. I want to use a durable glue for this because cardboard is cardboard. You know what I'm saying? This journal is just a fun, relaxed, do whatever journal, which is actually just my overall style. But I'm bringing you along with me if you want to do it. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut this off, and then I'll be right back. So, I got glue everywhere now. I decided to leave that funky trim because I love it. Let's see. I have this pad of paper. It has it's like a jokester kind of pad of paper, so I thought I might, and I consider this, well, it's not junk, but I never use it. It's been sitting in a drawer for a million years. So to me, it's kind of trash. But I was thinking about doing this as like its little quote. I got to get my glue to start because I really want to use this glue. It's almost brand new and I already have to like unclog it. There we go. Big chunk came out. Okay. Don't want that much glue, but that's where we're at. This guy just barely fits on here. Okay. All right. And then it could be a journaling card. That's what this one will be. Or some kind of, you know, tuck, something to put in a pocket. Color. I love color. I might take this and put it like that. Let's see. I did have kind of an epic fail. I glued the wrong side and I did not, I'm too lazy. I didn't want to cut another piece of cardboard. So I'm just going to let it dry. It'll be fine as a journal card when it dries. Confession, you know? But, okay. There we go. And then I might add... I'm just adding a little, a little bit of detail. But I'm happy with that. That's colorful, basic. So, all right. Tag. Let's see. I was thinking about trying to use some junk mail in this tag. I mean, it's, you know, got my name on it, but I don't know. Just for, I'm not really sure. Just considering trying it. I don't know if it's gonna work, what I envision. I did paint this junk mail. I almost want to save it because I think that would be awesome as like in a page like that. So I don't want to use that, but let's see. Henry. I might use I'm gonna use some different painty paper. I've got this polka dot stuff. I gotta make sure I glue on the right side this time. Let's see. Actually, maybe I should cut it first. How about that? Getting ahead of myself. All right, here. Hopefully I cut it big enough. If not, I'll just cut the tag. All right. I got this glue working now, so that's good. I don't know how this one is gonna go. I just like thought it through, but we'll see. Again, I'm loving this fluffle. What is it? Oops, hit my camera. The ruffle. So I'm gonna leave it. I am gonna leave it. Yep. And these don't both have to go in my trash journal. I'm just making stuff to make stuff, but I am using trash and things that, like this painty paper is more or less, it's in my scrap bin. It's not trash, but you get what I'm saying. It doesn't really have like a designated purpose. I don't know. I make so many painty papers, I can't use them all, so they go into the bin. But I think I like it like that. All right, so let me think here. Let's do, oh, I know what I wanted to do. I have this quote from a magazine. I want to use that. I pre-planned this video just a hair so that I wasn't, fiddling through everything I own. I just planned to, put together a few things that I could use. You get my drift? All right. I hope I don't regret putting this on already because I don't know what I'm doing with a focal point if I want to use one. I considered using one of these ladies, but they kind of don't make sense with this. This is from a magazine cover. I did back it with paper on one of my videos in this playlist, and I was gonna use it as a journal tag, or I'm sorry, tuck. Kind of want to keep it that way. So now I just have to figure out what I want to put on here. Let's see. This stuff doesn't shred, so I can't make it cute. Let me see. Let's see here. I don't mind being like, where will color take you, Jody Brown? I'm going to do that. I'm thinking if I wanted to cut this, cut it with funky scissors first, maybe. Oops. So it's not perfectly straight. I don't know if I can get away with cutting right here. Let's see. Ugh, barely. All right, let me move this stuff. All right. And then, so it's like to myself in my journal. Where will color take you, Jody Brown? Well, that might need to be, glued down a little bit. So that's some Happy Mail that was sent to me. I'm trying to think who it was from so I can shout them out. I think it's from, I know I can picture her. I can't think of her name right now. But when I do, I'll let her know. She made it into the video. Mister. So for my tags, I don't necessarily, I gotta put more glue on there. I don't always feel like I need to cut the corners and make it shape like a tag. I'm perfectly fine with this going in my journal. So it might be a tuck or a tag. I mean, I could make it a tag, but I don't want to cut that off. Oops. So it could go in like this pocket. Or eventually, if I have a side tuck, have this be the tab and it, you know, comes out. Or I can make it a door if I glue it down a little better. I don't know where it's going to go yet, so it's just going to kind of hang out because this journal's new. But I do love my owl guy. The owl guy almost needs to be like on a page, but there's nowhere to put owl guy yet. He could hang out in here, I guess. Okay. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.